I'll show you the quick and easy way how you can view Crunchyroll offline. Now, first off, this is a feature that's locked behind a paywall, right? And by what I mean by that, you will need a subscription to access this feature, right? Now, the cheapest one is this Mega Fan one, and you can see you can get a offline viewing. Now, you can get a cheaper one here, but you can see it doesn't have offline viewing available. So you will have to buy a subscription if you want to do offline viewing, right? Now, it's pretty cheap on where I live here, and you can see there's offline viewing and you get other perks like streaming up to 4 devices at a time, and you can access the Crunchyroll Game Vault, a catalog of free games, right? But besides that, once you have logged in or once you have bought a subscription or you have logged into an account that have a subscription, the way you can view episodes offline, you do only need to go to your phone, right? Because this is a feature that's only available for your phone. But once you go to your phone, once you have premium as well, you'll see if you go to any anime episode, there's gonna be a download button right next to the thumbnail there. You just have to press on that and then you can view the episodes offline. It's essentially like downloading the episode. So if you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.